Hello and welcome to Orissa Post Live. You are watching the news roundup of the day with Lopita. Odisha witnessed its highest spike in a single day as 24 people test positive for COVID-19 Thursday, taking the total tally to 209. From these, 17 are from Ganjam district, 4 are from Mayurbhanj district, 1 is from Jagatsinghpur district and 2 are from Baleswar district. Hearing a PIL, Odisha High Court directs state government to ensure that people who want to return to Odisha undergo RT-PCR test first in the respective states where they are presently staying and then be allowed entry only after the test negative for COVID-19. Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik announced an e-pass system to ease the work of people travelling out of Odisha amidst the ongoing COVID-19 lockdown. In this system, people who are stranded or wanting to travel for medical or any other emergency requirement can go outside Odisha by issuing e-pass for themselves. Non-resident Odia returnees from Surat and Kerala have caused great concern for Ganjam district administration as people have returned to the district in large numbers over past few days and among them a few women are expectant mothers, the report said. According to sources, taking a step further, Ganjam Collector Vijay Amruta has ordered 22 block development officers of the district to allow expectant mothers to stay in home quarantine. If at all necessary, they may opt to stay at the quarantine centers. 2 persons, including a sarpanch, were arrested Thursday for being involved in a racket in which the accused were issuing fake birth certificates for the people of Rambha areas in Ganjam district, said Rambha police. The accused have been identified as Sukant Dash and Tapan Nayak, a former sarpanch. A cyclonic circulation extending up to 0.9 km above mean sea level lies over East Vidarbha and neighbourhood. For this, the Regional Centre of Indian Meteorological Department (IMD) Thursday alerted light to moderate rain or thundershower will likely to occur for 5 days at most places over the district of coastal and south interior Odisha. School and Mass Education Department SME Minister Samir Ranjan Dash Thursday said that the dates of matriculation examination papers, evaluation and examination of remaining papers of plus 2 students will be released within 7 days. For this, a meeting will be held with the top officials of BSE and CHSE within 2 or 3 days, added Dash. A major early morning chemical leak from a polymer plant in Vizag impacted villages in a 5-kilometer radius, leaving at least 11 people dead and scores of citizens suffering from breathlessness and other problems as the Andhra Pradesh government ordered a probe into the issue. The leak of styrene, a chemical used to make synthetic rubber and resins among others, occurred in the wee hours of Thursday while people were still fast asleep. With 3,561 new cases and 89 deaths, the total tally of confirmed cases of the novel coronavirus crossed the 50,000 mark in India Thursday, said the Union Health Ministry. Of the total cases, 35,902 are active, while 15,266 people have been recovered and 1,783 have been the victim to the deadly virus. Total worldwide coronavirus cases rise to 37,55,341 while the death toll rises to 2,63,831. That's all in the bulletin. You were watching the news roundup of the day by Orissa Post Live.